Hey everyone, it's Jake with Northern Tesla back here with another product installation and review. Today we will be reviewing the Abstract Ocean performance pedal covers for Model 3 and Y. I actually recorded this prior because I had gotten the ones from Evanex, but the ones from Evanex actually ended up just being like plastic painted silver, but with the Abstract Ocean ones, these ones are actual metal. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, these ones are actual metal, and I really wanted that OEM look. So plus I just like how how light and stuff reflects off this metal. But yeah, in theory it's incredibly easy, but it's actually a lot harder to install these than you think. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're here in my footwell. These are the Evanex ones that just have the plastic. So I'm just first going to just really easily prise off. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same back here. This is the Abstract Ocean one, and this is the Evanex. This one's a little more tricky because it goes over this part that's already down there. On this pedal, it comes with a rubber thing like this, but just all rubber that you peel off. But on this one, you have to apply it over the already installed cover. Okay, great. So I'm going to stick this on the pedal, and I'm going to make sure that every single part of this pedal is inside this little lip of rubber here, or else it could come loose, and well, that wouldn't be good. Alright, so I'm going to brace my hand behind the pedal, and I'm going to push forward so as to not activate the brake pedal, because then, you know, the seat would move forward and all that with the driver profile. So you want to use your finger, make sure to pry up all the rubber edges so that the actual pedal can get under it. This is a lot harder than it looks. It really is. Okay, now that it's on, I'm just going to feel around all the edges to make sure it's snug. And there it is. Perfect. Okay, it's virtually the same for this one, but we're putting it over this cover that Tesla already has installed it. So basically what we want to do is you want to use this edge to peel up part of the seal, and then just continue to do that with our fingers. Okay, I'm finally done installing these freaking pedals. The brake pedal was super easy. It just went on really simply. But the accelerator pedal was very challenging. I cut myself many times on the plastic part of the actual accelerator pedal. I also spent about a good 30 to 45 minutes just trying desperately to get it on there. I finally managed to do it by using the bottom right corner to start with. I'm pretty sure that's what Abstract Ocean said to do anyway. So I tried that again, And I used this spudger tool that they also sell to kind of like hold open the rubber parts that, you know, wrap around the actual pedal itself. And finally, after what feels like a decade, and after many little spots of pain, I finally have them on, and they look really, really good. Here they are. They look really, really good. I love the way they reflect light, as well as a bit of what's around it. You could definitely tell they're metal too, which is really, really nice. And yes, they very much look OEM. Alright, so I'm going to use these for a couple of weeks, and then I'm going to be back to let you know how they perform. Okay, so I've been driving around a bit with the new pedal covers on, and I have to say, they feel great. Those rubbery strips on them are like very, very sticky. So you don't have to worry about your shoe sliding around all over them. Yeah, they look great. They feel great. The installation of these would definitely be about, well, since the brake pedal cover was really easy, I'm going to say about a 4 out of 10. Would I recommend these? If you're willing to struggle and put up a fight with the accelerator pedal cover, then absolutely, it's a bargain compared to the OEM Tesla ones, and they look phenomenal. But if you really don't want to get down dirty and potentially cut yourself like I did, then I still think it's worth it to go for the OEM Tesla ones that they offer, even if they are like 2 or 3 times the price. It's just a lot easier, and they still look pretty phenomenal for the price. So, alright, I'm Jake from Northern Tesla once again, and if you liked the video, make sure you click that like button. It helps YouTube push out my videos to more people, helps the algorithm get me recommended to more people. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know whenever I upload, make sure you hit that bell, or else you might miss some of my videos. And finally, if you're looking to buy a Tesla or Tesla Solar, make sure you use my referral link down below, because with every vehicle order, you will get 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Or if you order solar, you'll get a cash prize of $100. But that doesn't just help you out. Whenever you order a vehicle, I also get those free supercharging kilometers or miles. And I do plan on road tripping in my Model Y a lot, so it'd be really, really helpful for me if you did use my referral link, and I'd really, really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.